Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Solomon Islands. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Guys, when it comes to apply a tourist visa to any country, you or any kind of visa, first, you need to check that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, and purpose, or some other visas that you are holding, you may or may not need a visa. And once you determine, always check it as per the official entities, embassies, missions that cover your region. All right, guys. So, guys, in front of you, I have opened Ministry of Commerce, Industry, Labor, and Immigration website. Here they have section for apply for visitor visa. Okay. So application is made by filling out this visa form. This form can be downloaded from this website or collected from immigration division. And then you have to attach required documents. So let's go for this document. Okay. In their currency, $800 is the fee. Here you need to attach photo, full name, gender, marital status, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, occupation, passport details. If you have any minor dependent, including in your passport traveling with you, provide the details. Address while you stay in Solomon Islands, reason for travel, when you're going to arrive, do you have any relatives, provide information, how long you're going to stay, flight or vessel departure, when you're going to leave, will you finance, provide the details. If you have previously traveled to there, provide the details. If you have been convicted of criminal offense, refused entry, provide the details. They clearly said employment prohibited under this visa. That's true. Sign date. This for official use, so do not worry about it. So that's the first part is over. Now, what are the documents we need? Cover letter for you, from you, the applicant, for reason, passport photo. Okay. If you're applying from overseas, scanned color copy of application form with passport photo attached must be submitted. Perfect. Copy of applicant passport biodata, copy of applicant's itinerary. Okay. After filling out the visa application form, touching the submission form to the immigration division will require payment of an application fee. Okay. Now payment of fee, how you can pay the fee. A fee will be charged for processing granting of visa. Okay. Payments are to be made Solomon Island dollars or paid out in check too. Okay, fine. How to do? So first you need to pay the fee here and then you can attach it to, you need to attach the receipt to visa application form. A visa fee. Okay, we have seen this in the form, so that's okay. Ministry of Finance. So you can contact them and you can pay the fee over there. Okay, right. Now how the application will be submitted, that's most important. A hard copy of the document can be submitted directly included to the Border Control Chief Immigration at the Immigration Division main office. Okay, and at the international airport. Okay, you can find out their office. Oh, it's not there. So earlier in steps, they have written that you can how you can get the form. So you can fill it and you can contact them that you have filled the form and now you wanna go ahead. Maybe they will grant you some further. They will inform you like how they're gonna let you come, like if they will issue visa in advance or if they will tell you that come to the airport and there you can pay. So from there you can get the information. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.